Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Glassdoor detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Glassdoor website at www.glassdoor.com. If you already have an account, click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your email address and password in the provided fields. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button. Provide your email address and choose a strong password to create your account. Fill in any additional required information, such as your name and location. Once your account is created, check your email for a confirmation message from Glassdoor. Click the confirmation link in the email to verify your account. After logging in, explore the various options on the dashboard. Click on companies to search for employers and read reviews. Use the search bar to enter the name of the company you are interested in. After finding the company, click on its profile to view employee reviews and ratings. If you want to contribute, click on the Add a Review button. Select the type of review you want to submit, such as a job review or interview review. Fill in all necessary fields, including your job title, location, and the content of your review. Be honest and specific to help future job seekers. After completing your review, click Submit to share it with the Glassdoor community. You can also check out salary information by clicking on the Salaries tab. Input the job title and company to find relevant salary data. Join forums or discussion boards to connect with other users. Use the community feature to ask questions or share experiences. Regularly check your profile for notifications and updates. To enhance your experience, enable Glassdoor's app notifications for job alerts. Consider following companies that interest you to stay informed about updates and openings. Utilize the resources available for job seekers, including resume advice and interview tips. Finally, remember to update your account with any new reviews or changes to your employment status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.